University of Montana students moving back to Missoula might have trouble finding a place to live. KPAX's Katie Miller spoke with two property management companies to find out what's behind the lack of inventory.
As college students return to Missoula, rental applications are piling up, and property management groups say they're seeing some of the lowest vacancy rates they've seen in the past decade.
We hear a lot of them complaining about how difficult it is to get into something right now. You know, it's expensive to apply. So if they're applying at multiple places trying to get into something and they're unable to secure anything, it gets expensive.
Heather Schwank with Missoula Property Management says of the 1,600 units it manages, only one is ready to rent.
It's just crazy. I don't know.
Schwank says she's never seen anything like this. She says usually there are about 50 or 60 units available, but the last time she checked, the vacancy rate was less than 1%. Paul Burrow with Professional Property Management says prior to this summer, Missoula's overall vacancy rate was around 3%.
I feel really sorry for anybody that has, some kind of credit issue or poor rental history or something like that. It's just going to be tough for them.
And it's not just that there are no apartments.
We were begging people to not apply.
Schwank says she currently has 141 applicants waiting for something to open. Burrow says earlier this summer, he had 124 applicants for 28 properties and currently has 0 units available.
This is with the university down, 5,000 kids or so from what it used to be. If that ever gets turned around, imagine that problem.
Both companies attribute the issue to people moving in from out of state, lack of options, and people staying in their leases for longer due to the pandemic. Burrow suggests having your rental references ready before you go to apply. In Missoula, Katie Miller, MTN News.
Burrow says he wants to see more units being built so the burden doesn't all fall on renters.